These are the Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Scrub Sponges, and they really work on stuck-on messes. And it's double-sided. One side is the sponge side and one is the scrub side. Let me show you a close-up. This is what the scrub side looks like, and this is what the sponge side looks like. And this measures approximately 4.4 inches by 2.6 inches and about 0.7 inches in thickness. And these are also safe on non-coated cookware, oven racks, concrete, tools, more, such as your dishes. And these are so simple to use. All you have to do is get it wet and add some soap. And then you can squeeze out the excess and start scrubbing away. And when you're done using it, make sure to repeat the steps. Rinse it thoroughly and then squeeze out all the excess and allow it to dry. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.